In this video I'll show you how to replace the battery on a Volkswagen Polo 9N. Most cars really have the same idea, but the format layout will be a little bit different. First, locate the battery on my car, this Volkswagen Polo. It's on the right side of the car here, and there is this bracket that you have to remove first before you can pull out the battery. And you use a socket key 14 millimeter, but you can really use any range, any adjustable key even, you can use that. Here you might be tempted to remove the positive first, but don't do that. You have to remove the negative first. Always remove, when you remove the battery, you remove the negative terminal first. The reason is that if here, while you're touching the negative terminal of the battery and the chassis is just a negative, so nothing will happen, no shorts or anything. And then when you go to the red one, to the positive, the battery is already disconnected, so it doesn't matter, you can touch any part of the car. That's the reason, in case you're wondering. And cables, really try not to bend them too much, probably they're really old. And when you get the battery, it should be the same format meaning the shape where the positive and negative are, and more or less the same capacity, the starting capacity. It could be more, a little bit more or a little bit less, it doesn't really matter that much. Actually, Alpha Line or Alpaline, I think they're better than this Bosch battery. They used to last about 4 years, and then this one, after 2 years, it's getting a bit weak. So yeah, I didn't drive the car for a long time, and actually here I'm not really replacing the battery. I just wanted to show you how you can replace the battery. It is the same battery, but in your case, if you need to replace the battery, you would know, because when you charge it, it's charging too fast and it doesn't have the starting capacity. When you try to start the car, it's really weak, even when it's fresh. You reconnect the new battery, starting with the positive first, and look at the sparkles there. Yeah, be careful with the sparks. Here you don't really need to wear gloves, but you should wear gloves if you want to. Actually, it's a good idea to wear gloves, so wear gloves. And the bracket, I tighten it first by hand, and then I use this socket, 14 millimeter socket, and finally I have a chance to use this. I bought them and I didn't really use them much, but it's really useful to have an extension there, so it's really easy. But you can use really even an adjustable key for that. It's just a little bit more difficult. So let's start it. When you change the battery, even this one is actually charged. It's like new basically. But when you have a new battery, you should start very, very fast. Like how it feels when you have a new battery. And the old battery, you should take it to a recycling center, or actually a lot of people, they want these old batteries because they can use them for some projects. So you might just put an ad in a local website and someone will come and take it from you. Thanks for watching.